baby Chase, okay?
Yeah, he's
Good
not.
job, Chase.
Baby Chase, good job. Do you know what my name is?
Sky.
Yeah, my name is Etta Sky.
Not this
I'm
guy.
big. I'm a big dog. Okay, go back. Go back, hold on. I'll help you. Oh, you don't know how to roll back? Okay, I'll help you. Oh no, I can't help you. Oh no. Oh! Yay! Oh, Yay! That was so fun, right? Backpack check. Mommy, look, I'm flying with my backpack check. Oh, let's see if he will. Mommy, do you know? So if you drink too much, then it will go to your legs and bury up here, and then it will go around your nipples, and then when you pump the milk is tend to get yellow, and when Kai drinks it, he's gonna spit it out on your face because he doesn't like the taste. He only wants milk. Not that
Show people what you get for me. She got me a drink. Someone help you.
Shake helped me
Oh, Jake
because,
help you.
because I didn't want him to help me, but I didn't even, but you know, I was going downstairs to the square so quiet, and then you know what? I was like just going, and then when he was doing that, then when I say, "Phew!" then he was like, "Ah!" Just like that, he shouted. It sounds so scary. Thank you, Mom.
It's a lot of us. Thank you, Ate. Thank you for giving Mommy a drink.
But it's not your drink. I made it for myself, but I can share with you.
Oh, okay. Okay. Grabe naman talaga itong batang to. Kanina pinapatulog ko, ayaw matulog.
And my feet cut.
Tapos iniiyak-iyak siya. Alam ko na antok na siya, guys. Pero hindi pa siya matulog. Ayaw niya talaga matulog. Ayan ngayon, napilit ko matulog. Ayan, tulog na.
So this is how you massage Kai's head.
We don't need to massage, guys.
Yeah, that jump. Jump.
Okay, go down there because Kaka's
Mommy,
sleeping.
when
Oh, it's cold.
Mommy, when Kai is 4
Hindi
years
lalagay
old,
naman sa
Mommy,
legs ko.
when Kai's 4 years old, we can massage it like this. Hard because
When
that's
it's not-
hard and this is
Yeah, when
soft.
he's not, head is not soft anymore. You go down na because Kaka's sleeping. I'll see you downstairs, okay? Don't put it in the bed. It's cold. It's gonna be wet. Sige na, go down na. Bye.
I got two buttons now.
Is that the one that I showed you yesterday?
Nah.
Yeah, the black gorilla. That's your boyfriend, yeah? Even your teacher pretty said that.
She said me.
Yeah, it's the black gorilla.
Yeah. Oh, it's the one in this big school. That's
Is
good.
it? Is it? What does it look like?
I can follow it.
Right.
Four.
Okay. Ready?
Silly
Okay.
girl.
1, 2.
Magluto na naman siya, guys. Oh, ayan na naman niluto, oh. Sarap-sarap. Si Kai tulog pa.
3.
Pero gawa ako croissant with cheese kasi gutoms na. Yung kapatid ko tulog pa. Nagigising-gising siya. Ang hirap niya patulugin. Kasi pinipigilan. But he's asleep. Ang dami naming leftover. Adobo. So, yan yung mga kakainin namin. Ayan. Mini chicken, meatloaf. Ay, hindi to meatloaf. Ano ba to? Luncheon? Luncheon? Yan. Meron pang mga tira kagabi. And I'm just waiting for my croissant and cheese. Okay na yan. Hindi pa nagme-melt yung cheese kasi malamig. Hello guys! We're in the car. We are gonna go get flowers for my mama. So, punta kami Aldi. Kasi mas mura dun. We always go there. Pero pag wala na talagang time to buy,
Tabi sila flowers.
we normally go Coles.
Kag not a lot of people know Aldi. Like, they don't go, most of them don't go there to buy flowers.
Yes. Dala namin lahat ng mga bata. Kai is there. Pero hindi siya nagreklamo kasi nagdede yan guys. Pinadede ko before umalis. Ha? That's good.
The book up too, see?
Yeah, you put the book up there. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good, very good. Should I go to Aldi too? Or just wait in the car?
Hindi ka magpakal flowers, ha?
I wanna buy.
Then,
I'll just go there. How about?
how
Nag-English
about you go first and then I go after.
That's
Or
okay.
I go first and then you go after.
That's okay. I can just put Kai in the pram.
Tandi dala mo na lang tong sa body ni mo.
Oh, that's a car. I always leave it in the car.
Then just use that instead.
Huh?
You just use that instead?
No, I'll just use the pram.
Mas madali.
Yeah. Because maybe you put the flowers in the pram.
Oh, true. Makes sense.
And I didn't bring my wallet. I have my phone though. I can just use Apple Pay.
I don't know. Just put. I hope Philippines gonna be like this.
The what?
Lagayan ko sa tuya sa araw sa Pilipinas kasi I have to bring wallet na cash.
Ah,
Ang
yeah.
cash dapat hindi wala nakapilo-pilo kag damo nga ng cash. So kailangan mo join ng dako nga wallet.
Why it's not allowed that
Kailangan
it's
mo
folded?
Hindi, but like kailangan mo balay mo cash. Kung man ginagawa, tanan ko nga cash, kuha lang ko cash sa nga kung anong kailangan ko.
You
Pero
cannot,
sa abalada mo, daw mo siya kung papel mo.
You cannot open.
Like kailangan mag-itcha pati coins, so kailangan mo din ng malapad nga.
You cannot open account in the Philippines.
Kag mo hindi man tanan sang card. So, kailangan
Accept sang card,
oo,
yeah, true.
cash,
Sa
cash,
mall
cash.
lang.
Yeah.
Sa mall, so you need cash. Oh, Kai.
Para so, tas makakuha ako ng bagay. Gusto ko namin, magwa ka lang cellphone.
You always have to bring bag. I wish you're gonna sleep, Kai. Pahirap na siya patulugin. Yeah.
Oh, honestly, ba lang kung magugtaw sa ang ginano mo sa baladayon, sige da, ginapatindo, ginapakarol, padalo ko dito dayon. Tapos, kung kasi nagkatangis-tangis sa bala, dito na naman, madali naman sa tayo makatulog.
But now,
But
now it has sleep regression. Happy Mother's Day, guys! Sa mga mommies, Happy Mother's Day.
Mia, I'm not a mother. You should tell that to mommy because she's a mother.
Yeah,
I don't
she
have
did.
kids, so you don't say that to me. Only
She
to
did
mothers.
already.
Only
She,
to mommies that has children.
She was talking to Daddy before. It was so cute. Hindi ko lang na-vlog, guys. But she told Daddy, you know, Daddy, it's Mother's Day today. Tapos nag-greet na si Daddy. Tapos nag-greet siya. Tapos si Daddy, hindi siya greet ni Daddy. How about me? How about
Mia,
me?
you're not a mom.
Ah, my goodness. How
Only
about
mommy.
me?
That's the day for mommy. Like for mothers.
Gusto niya i-greet din siya Happy Mother's Day.
When it's Granny's Day, then it's for mommy.
Yeah. For
Mami la.
Mami la.
Granny's
all the
Day.
mothers. Just the mothers. And then
So,
on Father's Day, all the fathers.
Yeah. So cute. Tayo si Daddy umiinom, guys, kasama yung mga
It's like we're thanking them for
Friends.
giving birth to
mga
us.
uncles niya. Tapos sinabi niya kay Daddy, Daddy, don't drink too much. It's not good for your health.
Si Min kasal naman.
No.
Ay.
And yung best friend ni Daddy na sa... Yeah. Yung best friend ni Daddy na sa kanila din. So, inuman every day. Ha?
Uncle Minute will cover up some things because he drinks beer.
You drink, yeah. What's wrong?
Only Daddy knows everything.
Ah. Can you put the dummy, ate? What happened to Kai? Is it covering his face, ate?
No?
The bib? Yeah, the dummy. Put the dummy. He's sleeping. I'm planning to bring him para matulog siya sa car. But I don't think he will sleep because puntat-untat man ta. Traffic. Daming traffic lights. It's like 2 traffic lights. 3 pala. No. So you need
is not here yet.
2? You need 3?
Yeah, for you.
I only need 1 too.
Actually, it's Mother's Day.
I don't really need it.
Yeah, but you still need to receive one. It's
Aw.
Mother's Day.
Thank you. And then, so I only need to get 1 then for Mama lang.
Yeah, for Mama. Ibutang ni, diba?
Kai, where's my buboy? Oh, where's my buboy lang? Very masilaw. Very masilaw lang. Very masilaw lang. Hey, may buboy ko. Punta tayo dun sa loob. Aldi, nandito yung Aldi. Hey! Andun lang yung Aldi, guys. Andun na yung kapatid ko. Hindi man to natulog. Gising lang man ang kai-kai ko. Gising lang yan. Aldi. Andun yung mga flowers. Ay, konti lang. Kamo lang nabilin, be. Wala sila rose. Wala sila rose.
Ano to?
Din pa ka. Mayara pa ka.
Usually may harap pa.
So, let's see kung mayara pa to. Ba, should I get one na baka?
Yeah, habang advertisement.
Ay, cute ni Kago. Gabuka na, diba?
Kabuka na.
You wanna buy this one? Which one do you wanna get, ate? We give to Mamila. Which one?
I'll just go for it.
Ah.
This one's for you, this one's for Mama.
Oh, you giving me one. It's okay. I don't need one. Just get for Mamila lang.
Why?
Because we only need one. My rose.
Mommy!
Okay, put it back. Put it back.
If it's only...
There's more over there. Let's go. Put it back. Come.
And we can buy one for you in there?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is for Mama.
Bye, ka. Hold it. We'll have a look on the other side.
I'm sitting over there.
Okay, dali. Gusto ko taga umupo. Meron pa dun. Howdy. Ayan, meron pa. Halakit ng pink. Hindi yun.
Can you reach it? Just reach it. I think you can.
I can't. We get something.
Sa likod ko. Kato ka sa likod.
That's pretty. Oh, I like the pink one. Hey, what's wrong? Andun ba yung pink? Alang cute nito. Oh. Two lips to rose. 2 lips, no? Yeah, be careful with that, ate. Lolo. Oh my God. Okay. Look, Ay. Here. Oh, umiiyak na siya.
This one looks cute.
Ano ba namin kay Mama B? Tagai. Piliin ko. Ito yung mga, ang cute ng pink. I like this pink.
We are closing register 3.
Yeah, that one's cute. Si Mia, gusto niya ng puti. Tingnan mo, may kinuha na siyang puti. Who are you giving that to? Mommy?
Yung puti din yan, no?
Yeah. Ah, it's okay.
Mommy's for you.
Oh, it's for me. Thank you, ate. But we don't need ate. Thank you, though. Who are you giving this to?
You.
And that white one?
Mommy love. Mommy love.
Mommy la.
Mom, can I have some candy?
Halang cute na nito, B. Oh. Ate, is this, how much is this? This one. B, look. Ah. Okay. Yeah, that's actually, that's ano, diba? Oh. I like the purple. Oh. Magkano siya, B? 14, 15. We're giving this to Mamila. This one, this white one.
And you put it in that thing.
Oh.
Mommy, can you,
What?
what's the yellow flower?
Here. I'll put it back. Do you want it?
Yeah, I want it for you. That
Yep.
Which one do you want?
But we really need. Yellow na kay gusto ni Mia. Yellow. Ah. Okay, you choose. Mugid na yung gusto ihatag sa ako. Hindi ko na pibak yun. Ah.
I'm gonna buy it free.
No. What candy are
How
you
about
making?
this two? How about two, Mommy? Mommy, how about two?
Okay, two. Akong batang ko talaga.
Ika mama, iguro, no? Iniho kag ini. Kay isa ko nisa kay JC.
Okay, oo.
Kay mama sa din, tingin mo yun, no?
Oo, ng rose.
Rose.
Nga, kung di kay mama, biyan na.
Ang dami tani ng pink ko kasi dadaan mo.
Yeah. Ay, ano namin?
Ano may maniho? I know she like that.
Yeah.
But like, ano,
Why?
it's not giving Mother's Day.
Yeah.
It does, okay.
Yes. Ito lang. Kasi naka-rose ka naman. Tingin-tingin ako dun, oh. Nang mga kung anong meron sila.
Mommy,
Oh.
Register for.
this
Please
Mentos is
proceed
for
to the
Daddy.
next available
No, daddy.
register.
No, daddy. Kaya ato may basket to be, oh.
Okay, Mommy, I can
No,
just have two.
just one.
Have
Just one. Nakapili na kami, guys. Andun na sa basket. Alright. Tingin-tingin tayo dito sa mga ganito nilang. Yan. May mga nakikita ako sa TikTok. Palette. Okay. Ah. Meron silang ganyan, oh. You can sit here. Okay, that one's alright. Ito, oh, kaya lang bumili na ako kay pang mash ng food. Wow. Double wall glasses. Be, may double wall glasses sila, Be. Ay, wow. Bike. Ah, may UGG sila, oh. $50. Ah, nice. B, may lig kasi ni Be. B, may lig kasi ni $50.
White or yellow?
May lig kasi ni. I like white.
Yeah, pero mas, may ako na sa Marley. Gusto na mo.
Okay.
Ibang klase.
Ag na, oo. Ari, maliit. May maliit, guys. May maliit. It's $35. Yung mga nakikita ko nga video sa TikTok, nga. May balancing stones sila for kids, oh. Look. Balancing stones for kids. 18 months plus. Ano to? Ah, okay. May bra and panty. Pants. Ano yan? Bag? Okay. Si Kai patulog na. Kai.
Ako na ako practice kasi ang makeup ko lang yung bakal.
Oo. Ano to? Parang lalaki. Kai lang? Tulog lang na ang Kai. Oh, what's this there? Look.
I like this.
actually malapad. That's good.
Harit na. Mas manang. Ay, wala. Ganyan lang po.
Same.
Dua lang siya.
Yung mga mga ano ni Mia, babugkos. No. Mino. Yeah. Kaya lang baka may mga... Can you help me choose? Baka may mga buka, balabi. 15 lang, guys. Yung mga ipit ni Mia. Okay. This one's different. Maliit to siya. Ito malalim. Sa malalim na. Yeah. Get me one yung malalim. Malalim.
Yan?
Yeah, that one is very... malalim. Wala sa buka, sa salod.
Itang balikit lang.
Mia, you wanna hold this?
That's
That's for your...
yours. Yeah.
That's all for your hair accessories.
Hold it properly, okay?
Dito kami sa Family Fresh, guys. Bili tayo sayote. May sayote sila, oh. Siguro 2 sayote. And what else? Ay, may patola sila maliit. Maliit na patola. Tulog na si Kai kanina. Ingay man ang ate. May kalamansi. Wala. May balot sila. Balot. Yeah. Nasa Aldi pa yung kapatid ko kasi kumuha siya ng trolley para sa bibilhin niya mga gift kay mama. Yung parang standing ayun, para sa plants, guys. Lalagyan ng plants. So, medyo mabigat siya. Kailangan niya ng trolley. Yan, natagalan siya kasi bumunta pa siya dun sa Woolworths. Ako tapos na magbayad. Nabayaran ko na yung mga flowers. So, nandito na kami sa station. Nag-groceryhan. What do we need? Ayam. Itong ayam oyster. We need Where did you put the jelly, Ace? May nakuha na din siya.
Look, the jelly is right here.
I got the oyster.
Look, the jelly is.
Yeah. Oh, shh. Ingay ni ate. Tulog na talaga siya, guys. Tulog na siya, be. Mia. Ito yung binili niya, oh. Plant stand. Yun pala yun, plant stand. Tulog na si Kai. Anyway. Wala ga-record do, diba? Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Guys, hindi na-record. I was saying, pauwi na kami. We've got a present for mom. Plant stand.
Don't even give gifts pag birthday siya family. Wala kakatandaan.
So, 2 yung nabili niya. Yung isa kay mama, yung isa sa boyfriend. No, the plant stand. Dinalawa niya. Kasi yung isa gift daw niya sa parents ng boyfriend niya. So, yeah. It's actually a good...
Sila ni mama.
It's actually a good present. Guys.
Korea sila ni mama nga mahilig sa...
Yun yung maganda sa sa Aldi kasi out of nowhere meron silang mga magagandang products
cheaper
and cheap as well. And it's so easy to shop kasi nasa gitna lang sila ng mga daan. So even you don't look for it, yung makikita mo siya kasi nasa gitna ng daan.
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm gonna eat my mint one.
It's actually good marketing.
Mommy, I said I'm gonna eat my mint.
Yes.
Ay, bakla mo sa Mentos.
Nagpili siya dun ng candy. Why?
And then it comes to my brain and then I have
Oh.
Ay, bili sana ako bubble tea.
Inisip mo, bala ka so, bago doon, nagpakain ka ng Starbucks kagapon.
Kaso na, kaya sabi ko din, parang ang dami ko ng
Wala
binili.
ka, masyado craves ang bubble tea. Like, I don't care if I have it or not.
Yeah. Ako din.
That kind of feelings.
Yeah. So sabi ko, ang dami namang drink sa bahay. Doon na lang ako mag-inom.
Mahal na yun ang bubble tea. Boba na yung paborito.
Kasi kasi sa later, magdi-dinner kami outside.
Yeah,
So, baka mabusog ako ba? Ano na oras, B? 4? 4 na, no?
Oh my God. Pabugtaw na ganun si JC, oh.
Oh, 3 pa lang pala.
340 na.
340.
Taon na sa.
Tinatawagan ko si mama. Mama is not answering. Be, i-drop to na lang ni Guro kay mama.
Huh?
I-drop to or hindi?
Later.
Later na lang, sige. Dito kami sa bahay ng boyfriend niya, guys. Dinap niya yung present. Apaka-sweet naman talaga. Apaka-sweet naman ng ating Tita Pretty. It's not recording, guys. I was reading a book to our Kai Kai. We read 2 books already. This is the 3rd one. We're reading Spot. No. Where is Spot, Kai Kai? Naughty Spot, it's dinner time. Where can he be? Maganan-ganyan siya kanina. Is he behind the door? No! No! Is he inside the clock? No! No! Is he inside the piano? Should we check? No! Is he under the stairs? No! Uh-oh. Is he in the wardrobe? Oh, Pika! Woo! No! It's a monkey eating a banana. Is it under the bed? Let's check. Woo! No! It's a crocodile lang. Is it in the box? Woo! No! He's
No, that's not a box. That's a treasure box.
Yeah, treasure box. He's not looking at the book anymore. He's distracted. There's Spot. He's under the rug. Should we open the rug, Kai Kai? Open. Ready. Look. No. The turtle said, try the basket. Is he in the basket, Kai Kai? Yes, he is. The puppy Spot is in the basket. Good hiding spot. No, good hiding spot. Good. Gusto na yung kamay niya. Yes. Another spot book. Gusto din to ni Nia, guys. Memorize nyo na yung mga spot na book. Kasi maganda siya. Meron siyang yung, ano tawag dito na book? Yung pa-surprise. Yung i-open mo. Like this one. Open mo yung ganito. Tadan! Yan. May pa-surprise siya. And nung nag-try out si Mia dun sa kindi niya, before nag-start yung kindi na term 1, diba meron siyang pa-try out last time. Ano ba tawag dun? Parang try out. Orientation or something. Ito yung binasa ni Miss Clark. Yung mga spot na series na book. And she loves it. Nabili ko to sa Costco before eh. Ano siya? Isang na siya? 4 na ganito or 5 ba to? Yung ganito. Ayan. Kasama na siya sa Costco. Mura lang din. Lang. Is that Kai lang? Ate, come on. Oh. Si Happy is so thick na naman. Thick na naman, boy. See, let me see. Here. Wash the dami, ate. Not your hand. Ang isang anak ko, nagdedede na, pinaglalaroan ng dede. Ang isa naman, nandun, nagpapaganda, guys. Kita nyo ba? Oh. Naglalagay ng lipstick. Oh.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.